Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to query all fields for objects in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to pull comprehensive data from any Salesforce object without manually typing out every single field name. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into the Salesforce web version. Make sure you're using the account that has the appropriate permissions to access the developer console, as this is where we'll be working throughout this tutorial. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with various settings and tools. From this menu, select Developer Console. This will open a new window that serves as your command center for running queries, viewing logs, and debugging code in Salesforce. In the Developer Console window, direct your attention to the bottom section where you'll see several tabs. Look for the Query Editor tab and click on it. This is the workspace where you'll write and execute your SOQL queries to retrieve data from your Salesforce objects. Now comes the main part. In the Query Editor field, you'll type in a specific query format. The syntax you'll use is select fields open parenthesis, all close parenthesis from, followed by the object name you want to query, and then limit 200. For example, if you wanted to query all fields from the report object, you would type select fields open parenthesis, all close parenthesis, from report limit 200. Make sure to replace the object name with whichever Salesforce object you need to query. The limit 200 clause ensures you're pulling a manageable number of records, which helps with performance and prevents overwhelming your system with too much data at once. After you've typed in your query with the correct object name, look for the Execute button in the query editor. Click on Execute to run your query. Salesforce will now process your request and retrieve all available fields for that particular object. You might need to wait a moment while Salesforce compiles and returns the results, especially if the object contains a large number of fields or records. Once the query executes successfully, you'll see the results displayed in the lower panel of the developer console. This will show you all the fields and their corresponding data for the records you've queried, giving you a complete view of the information stored in that object. And there you have it. You've successfully queried all fields for a Salesforce object using the fields open parenthesis, all close parenthesis function in the developer console. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.